Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making chicken tikka. Yeah, chicken tikka. If you don't have oven, then how can we make chicken tikka at home? I'm gonna tell you. So let's start. First we have to marinate the chicken. So for that, take approximately 200 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala, a pinch of coriander seed powder, and food color. This is optional. If you want your tikkas are red, then add red food color. Now add 1 lime juice, 1 grated garlic, and very little bit of ginger. Now add 2 teaspoon of thick curd and salt to taste. Now mix it well by using your hand. Mix it properly and leave it for marination at least for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, take a pan and now add our marinated chicken and toss it. Then stir it and cook from both sides. Never overcook the chicken. It will take 3 to 4 minutes for chicken to cook properly. So cook the chicken, stirring continuously from both the side, every side. After 3 to 4 minutes, check chicken by pressing. If chicken is tender, you toss it once again and serve it. Your homemade chicken tikka is ready to eat.